Hello and welcome to Express 24/7 with the headlines for this hour. I'm Zulfiqar Cyclone. Cyclone Phet subsides as it hits Pakistan's coast between Karachi and KT Bandar. Seaview Road in Karachi opened for public. More heavy rains and winds expected in the coastal areas including Karachi. At least 7 people electrocuted. Relief in Hunza as water level of the Atabad lake starts reducing. Water outflow nears 5,000 cusecs. 15 militants killed in clashes with security forces in Orakzai agency. And Rafael Nadal beats Robin Soderling to clinch 5th French Open title and #1 spot in world rankings. It's good to have you here with us tonight, and now the news in detail. Authorities are on alert as Cyclone Phet slams into coastal areas. Cyclone Phet has died down after hitting Ghado Creek and Bambor areas close to Karachi and Thatta. DCO Thatta Manzoor Ahmed Sheikh has confirmed that the cyclone has ended. Now heavy downpour has started in Bambor and the Met Office has predicted that the rains will continue for the next 24 hours. Earlier, the outer circle of the cyclone hit Thatta and Badin, while the central circle of the cyclone slammed the coast of Karachi and KT Bandar. The Met Office declared emergency in KT Bandar and the Pakistan Navy completely evacuated the area. Cyclone Phet was generated 6 days earlier in the Arabian Sea. It moved to Pakistan after hitting the coastal areas of Oman. Heavy rains caused by Cyclone Phet have enveloped Hyderabad and its surrounding areas, killing 3 people and flooding numerous localities. 2 people have been killed in Tando Hyder after strong winds caused a power line to fall and electrocute 2 boys aged 12 and 13. The 3rd casualty has been reported in Qasimabad, where a 16-year-old boy has drowned in a flooded storm drain. Hyderabad city has recovered and recorded rainfall of 52.8 millimeters. Numerous streets have been flooded as a result, and floodwaters have entered houses across the city. Emergency has also been declared in Thatta, Badin and nearby coastal areas. The government has deployed emergency teams in and around Thatta and Mirpur. Authorities say that the storm has damaged 179 electricity feeders in interior Sindh. They say 120 have been repaired so far. Prime Minister Gilani has telephoned the Chief Ministers of Balochistan and Sindh to inquire about the impact of the cyclone on the coastal areas. Also, the Prime Minister has directed the Chairman of the National Disaster Management Authority to visit the affected areas today to make assessment of the damages. PM Gilani also urged Pakistan Maritime Security Agency and the National Disaster Management Authority to work in tandem for handling emergencies in the affected areas. Well, if you are wondering how cyclones form and what makes them happen, we have a special report on the several stages which contribute to their occurrence. Let's watch.
A cyclone composes of inward spiraling winds that rotate with enormous speeds around a zone of low-pressure winds. These low-pressure zones usually form in warm waters, at least above 26 degrees centigrade. As the cyclone spreads outwards, the power of the waves can cause massive destruction, especially if it transforms into a landfall. A landfall is a tropical cyclone that makes its way onto land after being over water. The average sustained wind speed needs to exceed 118 km per hour for a cyclone to be termed as severe. Though very few cyclones have been reported to hit the Arabian Sea, they are known to usually form in the months of May, June, and October to December. Since Pakistan and southwestern India both share a coast with the Arabian Sea, they are likely to be under threat this season. However, Pakistan is located further north of the Arabian Sea and cyclones usually do not move towards land up north.
Heavy rains have lashed Karachi, leaving 7 people dead and 30 injured in various incidents of electrocution. Heavy rainfall has inundated numerous houses in Karachi and triggered massive blackouts across the City of Lights. Sources say 360 feeders tripped because of heavy rains and strong winds. Educational institutions in the city have postponed all exams till tomorrow. 148 millimeters of rainfall has been recorded in Karachi PF base Masroor, and the Sadr Faisal base in Karachi received 92 millimeters of rain. Governor Sindh Ishrat Ali Baad has observed relief efforts in Karachi and has offered officials to remain vigilant during the storm, while the MQM has established an emergency centre. Rains will lose intensity from Tuesday, while skies are expected to clear from Wednesday onwards.